Here's a quick how-to video on the Moore Unidrill Coulter. In this video we will talk you through the step-by-step process of ensuring that you get your coulter alignment from top to bottom perfect every time. Also hopefully speed up setup time when in field or in the yard. A couple of key things we'd like to point out. So we have the retainer plate here, which is a key part of the pitch adjustment of the coulter. So you've got your rear and your front coulter pitch adjuster bolt. On the back here we have the top adjuster bolt and the bottom adjuster bolt. This is where the main source of tension and hold comes from on this box. Now, when adjusting coulters, we strongly recommend that minimum adjustments are made to this, as this will affect the bottom pitch of the coulter and can dramatically affect the leading edge and also the rear of the coulter. Too much adjustment of either one of these bolts can cause the front edge of the coulter to open up, causing hairpinning and blockaging against the disc. Now, as you will see throughout this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of from not having a coulter at all to how you should insert the coulter and set it up. Obviously for this demonstration the coulter arm is clamped in a vise, which we are well aware makes it significantly easier. But all of this step-by-step process should be able to be followed when the machine is either on a tractor or on an implement mover on a telehandler. Now, what I would just like to point out to anyone using a Moore Unidrill, key points to notice is that there shouldn't be any daylight coming through the back of the coulter. That means that the front part of this coulter here, down there, is fully touching the disc. And if you listen to the disc spinning, it should be scraping firmly against the disc. That will mean that the disc is kept clean in work and you'll have no problems with hairpinning. Hopefully this video will give you a good overview of how to do adjustments with your coulter alignment bolts and the top and bottom adjuster bolts.